Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 7. Find out page number 99 and question word problem. So take out your maths notebook and do. First question, divide. Divide 36 sweets equally among 9 children. How many sweets will each child get? So now 36 sweets divided by 9 children, and now we will find how many sweets will each child get. So take out your maths notebook and do. Question number 1, write first question then do. Okay, so now 36 divided by 9, so 36 sweets divided between 9 children, so divided by 9. First 3 is the smallest number, so 36 divided by 9, so 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, and 9 4 is 36. So 4 write in question place, 4 and 36 right here. So minus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So quotient is 4. So we will write answer. So each child get EACH, each child, CHILD, child get 4 sweets, SWEETS, sweets. Question number 2, 5 persons can sit in a car. How many cars will be needed for 35 persons? 5 persons एक कार में बैठ सकते हैं, तो हाउ मैनी कार्स विल बी नीडेड, कितनी कार की ज़रूरत होगी 35 पर्सनस के लिए. सो वी विल डू इन नोटबुक. सो 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, सो वी गेट टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्स फॉर 35 पर्सन. सो 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, 5 7 is 35, so 7 right here and 35 right here. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 7. So right answer. So 35 persons will be needed 7 cars. 35 persons को ज़रूरत है 7 cars की. Next question number 3. 64 books are packed equally in 8 bundles. So how many books are there in each bundle? So 64 books पैक्ड हैं इक्वली, बराबर 8 बंडल्स में. तो हमें निकालना है हाउ मैनी बुक्स आर देयर इन ईच बंडल. सो 64 डिवाइडेड बाय 8. सो 64 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 8 8 जा 64, 8 8 जा 64. So 8 right here and 64 right here, and subtracts 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Answer is 8. So we will write answer. So there are 8 books in each bundle. एक बंडल में 8 books हैं. Okay. Next question number 4. A man needed 40 apples. APPLES, apples. He want to pick equally number of apples from 8 trees. How many apples will he picked from each tree? So a man needed 40 apples. एक मैन को 40 apples की ज़रूरत है, needs है, and he want to pick equally number of apples from 8 trees. 8 trees हैं और उसको and he wants to pick equally number of apples. So how many, now we will find how many apples will he pick from each tree. So 40 divided by 8. 40 divided by 8, so 40, 8 5 ja 40, 5 right here and 40 right here. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So answer is 5. So we will write answer. So he picked 5 apples from each tree, where 5 apples pick करेगा each tree से. Okay. Next question. There are 18 boys in 2 classes of a school. Each class has the same number of the boys. How many boys are there in each class? So there are 18 boys in 2 classes. 2 classes में 18 boys हैं of a school and each class has the same number of boys. और एक क्लास में से दोनों क्लास में सेम नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़ हैं, दोनों में बराबर बराबर बॉयज़ हैं. सो हाउ मैनी बॉयज़ आर देयर इन ईच क्लास. तो एक क्लास में कितने बॉयज़ हैं ये हमें निकालना है. सो नाउ वी विल डू 18 divided by 2 because there are 2 classes. So 18 divided by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18. So 9 right here and 18 right here. So 18 minus 18 is equal to 0 and 9 is quotient. So we will write answer. So there are 9 boys in each classes. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So एक क्लास में दोनों क्लासेस में 9 बॉयज़ हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ए बुक कॉस्ट ₹9. हाउ मैनी बुक्स कैन बी बॉट फॉर ₹189. एक बुक की कॉस्ट है 9 रुपीज़. सो हाउ मैनी बुक्स कैन बी बॉट. तो हम कितनी बुक्स बॉट कर सकते हैं फॉर ₹189 में. सो 189 डिवाइडेड बाई 9 because each book cost 9 rupees. So 189 divided by 9. So 180. First 18 divided by 9. 9 2 ja 18. 2 right here and 18 right here. Subtract 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So bring down 9 here and 9 divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9. 1 right here and 9 right here. Subtract 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So answer is 21. So 21 books can be bought for ₹189. 21 बुक्स परचेज बॉट की जा सकती हैं ₹189 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. अब अ पोल्ट्री फार्म POULTRY पोल्ट्री फार्म produced 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 784 eggs in a week. It means 7 days. It means 7 days. So find the number of eggs produced in each day. So a poultry farm purchased 784 eggs in a week. It means 7 days. So now we will find the number of eggs produced in each day. So 784 divided by 1 week. It means 7 days. So 784 divided by 7. So first 7 divided by 7, 7 1 is 7, 1 right here and 7 right here. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now bring down 8 here and 8 divided by 7. So 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. 14 is greater than 18. 8. So we will write here 7. 7 1 is 7. 1 right here and 7 right here. Subtract. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Now bring down 4 here and it is 14. And 14 divided by 7. So 7 2 is 14. 2 right here and 14 right here. Subtract. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. So answer is 112. So we will write here. So 112 eggs produced in each day. Next question. Next question number 9. There are 9 registered 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 of the same kind. It means there are 6 registered. यहाँ पर 6 register हैं of the same kind. It means same, एक जैसे हैं, एक ही तरह के हैं, same pages हैं उसमें. So find the number of pages in each register. Now we will find the number of pages in each register. If the total number of pages is 996. तो यहाँ पर 6 रजिस्टर हैं सेम एक जैसे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस भी सेम हैं. एंड नाउ वी विल फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस इन ईच रजिस्टर. और हमें निकालना है एक रजिस्टर में कितने पेजेस हैं इन द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस 6 रजिस्टर्स के हैं 996. सो नाउ 996 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 रजिस्टर. So 996 divided by 6. First 9 divided by 6. So 6 1 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. 12 is greater than 9. So we will write here 6. 6 1 is 6. 1 right here and 6 right here. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Bring down 9 here. It is 39. So 39 divided by 6. So 6 6 is 36 and 6 7 is 42. 42 is greater than 39, so we will write here 36. 6 6 is 36. 6 right here and 36 right here. Subtract 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So now bring down 6 here. It is 36 and 36 divided by 6. So 6 6 is 36. 6 right here and 36 right here. Subtract 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is 166. So we will write answer. So there are 166 pages in each register. यहाँ एक 166 पेजेस हैं ईच रजिस्टर, एक रजिस्टर में. ओके, तो एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट. डू इन नोटबुक. थैंक यू क्लास.